Morning folks, Cueball here. Just got a little tent that we built. Do some work on the Zx9. You mate there, how you doing, Si? Say hello.
Alright.
Just having a work on that one. Getting the throttle cable sorted, fitted on. And we'll probably video a bit more later and let you know how we get on. Right, so back again. We've got the tank off. Strapped it down, we're going to disconnect our lines apart from the air line. Throttle's off. Clean the chain up, let that dry a bit, and then I'll lube it up. And then we're going to try and fit that cable. Back again folks, we've got the air box off, clean the air filter up. So he's just split into the old cable, change the grips. Keep the air filter clean. And I'll look back again, show us a test site. Perfect, that's how it should work. Right, back to putting it all back together. We've got everything back on. Grip should be in the correct position. Just tighten the ball ends and we'll test it. Sign that off, throttle cable done, chain lubricated. Next one will be road testing in about a week's time. See you then.